Our next program is related to XML. How XML files are being executed. Let us understand now. We need to create two files here. One is a CSS file as we have created in the previous program. That is library. I have given the name here. Another one is XML document. As it is 10th program, I have given the file name 10th. So just right clicking on that particular file and I am opening with Notepad. You can observe here library.css file has been saved in this way. Catalog style is given with these font family, color, font size, and book style is given with display block, font family, color, font size, and title is being given with these type of features, and author is given like this, and next one is publication, edition, ISBN, price. For all this the style is being defined like in this way. So you can go with XML document. Now I am opening the file with Internet Explorer. You can observe the color variation and font sizes and font styles in the output. So you can go with the source code here, Notepad. As we have already discussed the XML file related program in our theory, I am not explaining here. Just you observe the syntax, whatever the code, it is being written in this program from starting to ending. XML href. Here we need to remember whatever the file name that we have given for cascading style sheets, the same name we should give there along with the path. So what is the path? You need to go with properties and you can select all this particular path, copy, and you can go here and directly paste. Along with that, we can give backslash and save in order to identify that particular file. Now you can observe the output in this way. So you can easily identify which type of style has been given in the code. As per that, how the output has been appeared. For book, title, author, publication, edition, catalog style has been given. For book details, if you observe, catalog has been given. You can change with other type of styles also, as you have here many styles. They have given catalog, book, for one title you can give, and you can notice the variation among both. Author, whatever the style that is being given for author in this CSS file, the same will be displayed here. Color is magenta and font family Arial. You can observe the same in the output. So like this you need to follow. Just remember you need to create CSS file differently and XML file differently, and the icons will be representing in this way. You can simply move your cursor so that you can identify which type of document the file contains, and this file is XML document. So like this you need to create and do your practical, and you can directly view the output in this way. Hope you have understood. Thank you, Vanan.